How many pull-ups should one do? Have you ever thought about how many pull-ups are needed to reap all their benefits? Let's examine a technique for executing pull-ups that guarantees outstanding results. Make sure to watch this video all the way through, as I will delve deeper into each advantage, which include muscle hypertrophy, strength enhancement, and improvements in mental well-being and discipline. I'll also demonstrate the proper pull-up technique to help you make the most of these benefits while preventing injuries. Let's begin with the advantages of pull-ups. Why do pull-ups every day? Regularly performing pull-ups can lead to significant strength improvements and muscle growth, particularly in the upper body. The latissimus dorsi, biceps, rhomboids, and trapezius muscles will see the most substantial development. As the muscles adjust to the consistent workload, they become stronger and more sculpted. Repeated pull-up practice will also enhance muscular endurance, allowing you to perform more repetitions with less fatigue as time progresses. Pull-ups necessitate a strong grip to support your body weight, leading to a considerable boost in grip strength, which can positively impact other exercises and daily tasks that require holding or gripping items. Moreover, pull-ups strengthen the upper back and shoulder muscles, which are essential for maintaining good posture. By consistently doing pull-ups, you can rectify imbalances and weaknesses in these muscles, resulting in better posture and a decreased risk of shoulder and back discomfort. While pull-ups mainly focus on the upper body, they also engage the core muscles to stabilize your body during the exercise. Consequently, you may experience improved core strength and stability. Regular, intense activities such as pull-ups can elevate your metabolic rate. As your body repairs and builds muscle, it burns more calories, contributing to fat loss and overall improved metabolic health. Pull-ups are classified as a functional exercise, enhancing strength and coordination for everyday tasks. This can make routine activities like lifting and carrying easier and more efficient. When executed with the correct form, pull-ups can promote joint health by enhancing flexibility and strength in the shoulders and elbows, which can help avert injuries and improve overall joint functionality. Engaging in physical exercises, including pull-ups, triggers the release of endorphins, which naturally elevate mood. Consistently participating in this activity can help alleviate stress and enhance overall mental health. Studies have shown that regular physical activity boosts cognitive function, particularly focus and concentration. The discipline developed from daily pull-ups can lead to better mental clarity and productivity in various life aspects. Regular exercises, like pull-ups, can improve sleep quality by regulating the body's circadian rhythm, resulting in more restful and restorative sleep, crucial for overall health and wellness. Moreover, partaking in regular physical activity has been associated with diminished symptoms of anxiety and depression. The endorphin release from consistent pull-ups can lead to a more positive outlook and mood. How many pull-ups are needed for muscle building? Building muscle through pull-ups necessitates a thoughtful strategy that involves volume, sets and reps, intensity, amount of resistance, and consistency. The precise number of pull-ups required for muscle growth varies based on an individual's fitness level, objectives, and overall training program. Muscle hypertrophy occurs when muscle fibers undergo resistance and are subsequently given sufficient time to recover and become stronger. The fundamental principles of hypertrophy consist of progressive overload, volume, frequency, intensity, and recovery. For beginners, it is advisable to perform 3 to 4 sets of 4 to 6 reps. Begin with assisted pull-ups to establish initial strength and ensure proper technique. For intermediate athletes, it is suggested to execute 4 to 5 sets of 6 to 10 reps. Advanced athletes should aim for 4 to 5 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Initially, use bodyweight. Once you can comfortably perform more than 12 repetitions, introduce weighted pull-ups to increase resistance and continue muscle development. Train with pull-ups 2 to 3 times weekly, ensuring at least 48 hours of rest between sessions to facilitate adequate recovery and muscle growth. Gradually elevate the resistance or number of repetitions to keep challenging your muscles and encouraging growth. This can be accomplished by adding weight, increasing the number of sets, or shortening rest intervals between sets. Ensure proper form to optimize muscle engagement and avert injury. Allow sufficient recovery time between pull-up sessions since muscle growth occurs during the recovery phase. Ensure you receive adequate sleep, nutrition, and recovery time. How to perform pull-ups correctly. Begin in a dead hang position with your arms fully extended, shoulders relaxed, and feet off the ground. Engage your core and maintain a straight body posture. Use an overhand grip with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Initiate the upward movement by pulling your elbows down toward your sides, focusing on utilizing your back muscles rather than solely your arms. Continue pulling until your chin is above the bar, with your chest close to the bar and elbows by your sides. Lower yourself back to the starting position in a controlled manner, avoiding a quick drop or loss of control. This eccentric phase is vital for muscle engagement and growth. Return to the dead hang position with your arms fully extended before starting the next repetition. Ensure that your shoulders remain relaxed and your core stays engaged. Share your current pull-up record in the comments below, and don't forget to check out other videos. Goodbye.